Assalamualaikum. My name is Engku Nurmala binti Engku Muhammad Rosli. My matric number is 19-20F1019. Today I want to present case study 2 Elastic Compute Cloud EC2 in AWS. For question 1, EC2 offers computing capacity in the cloud. An EC2 instance is a virtual server running in the cloud. To create an instance, you need to specify an Amazon Machine Image (AMI), which is AMI is a pre-configured machine template that contains a pre-configured operating system and pre-installed application software. 1 Romans describe the following various concepts of EC2 in AWS. Question A. EC2 instance. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. Amazon EC2 is a web-based service that allows business to run application programs in the Amazon Web Service AWS public cloud. Amazon EC2 allows a developer to spin up virtual machines which provide compute capacity for IT projects and cloud workload that running with global AWS data center. An Amazon EC2 instance is a virtual server in Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud EC2 for running application on the Amazon Web Service AWS infrastructure. AWS is a comprehensive, evolving cloud computing platform. EC2 is a service that enables business subscribers to run application programs in the computing environment. Question B. EC2 storage. EC2 Instant Storage is the temporary block storage service provided by AWS. EC2 Instant Storage in itself is not a storage service in itself, but essentially it is a part of the EC2 service. The storage device physically lie on the same host that provide the EC2 instance and are essentially useful to store temporary data associated with the EC2 instance. Amazon EC2 provide you with flexible, cost-effective and easy-to-use data storage option for your instance. Each option has a unique combination of performance and durability. These storage options can be used independently or in combination to suit your requirement. For question C, set up EC2 instance. First, login and access to AWS service. Log in to your AWS account and go to the AWS Service tab at the top left corner. Here you will see all of the AWS service all categorized as per their area with compute, storage, database. For creating an EC2 instance, we have to choose compute EC2 as in the next step. On the top right corner of the EC2 dashboard, choose the AWS region in which you want to provision the EC2 server. Once you decide region is selected, come back to the EC2 dashboard. Click on Launch Instance button in the section of Create Instance as shown below. Instant creation wizard page will open as soon as you click Launch Instance. For the second step is choose AMI. You will be asked to choose an AMI of your choice. An AMI is an Amazon machine image. It is a template basically of an operating system platform which you can use as a base to create your instance. Once you are launched an EC2 instance from your preferred AMI, the instance will automatically be booted with the desired OS. We will see more about AMIs in the coming part of the tutorial. Here we are choosing the default Amazon Linux 64-bit AMI. Third step, choose EC2 instance type. In the next step, you have to choose the type of instance you require based on your business need. After that, click on Configure Instance Details for further configurations. In the next step of the visit, enter details like numbers of instances you want to launch at a time. Here we are launching one instance. Step 4. Configure instance. Number of instances you can provision up to 20 instances at a time. Here we are launching one instance. Under Purchasing Options, keep the option of Request Port Instance unchecked as of now. This is done when we wish to launch Port Instance instead of one of on-demand ones. We will come back to Port Instance in the later part of the tutorial. The next step is Add Storage. In the Add Storage step, you will see that the instance has been automatically provisions a general purpose SSD root volume of XGB. Maximum volume says we can give to a general purpose volume is 16 GB. You can change your volume size at the new volumes. Change the volume types. AWS provides three types of EBS volumes: magnetic, general purpose SSD, provisions IOPs. You can choose a volume type based on your application IOPs needs. The statistic is tag instance. You can tag your instance with a key value pair. This gives visibility to the AWS account administrator when there are a lot numbers of instances. Here we have tagged the instance as a dev_web server 01. Go to Configure Security Groups later. For the seventh step, configure security groups. In this next step of configuring security groups, you can restrict traffic on your instance part. This is an add firewall mechanism provided by AWS apart from your instance OS firewall. Since our server is a web server, we will do following things. First, creating a new security groups net, naming our CSG for easier reference, defining protocol which we want enabled on my instance, assigning IPs which are allowed to access our instance on the set protocols. The last ones, the firewall's rules are set, review, and launch. For the last step is review instance. In this step, we will review all our choice and parameters and go ahead to launch our instance. You can also see the launch log. For question 2, Roman, explain EC2 cloud storage service in AWS. Cloud storage is a cloud computing model that stores data on the internet through a cloud computing provider who manages and operates data storage as a service. It's delivered on demand with just-in-time capacity and cost, eliminates buying and manage your own data storage infrastructure. Benefit of cloud storage: total cost of ownership, time to deployment, information management. For cloud storage requirement, first, durability, available, and security. Types of cloud storage: first, object; second, file storage; and last, block storage. For the last question is 3, Roman, conclusion. Effectively plan and manage reservation can help you achieve significant discount for AWS workload that run on the predictable schedule. It's important to analyze your current AWS usage to select the right reservation attributes from the start and to devise a longer-term strategy for monitoring and manage your reserved instance using tools such as the AWS Compute Optimizer, AWS Cost and Usage Report, and the Reserved Instance Utilization and Coverage Reports in AWS Cost Explorer. You can examine your overall usage and discover opportunities to greater cost efficiencies. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.